I'm so excited to continue to keep making you money. We are closing in on the $100 cash giveaway selection process. So if you have not done your AI study, you definitely want to go ahead and do it. You only have about a week left after this week. So please submit it at the end of July, at mondaymakers271 at gmail.com. Mondaymakers271 at gmail.com. Because after July 31st, I will no longer be accepting submissions and you will not have a chance to win $100. So please go ahead and submit that if you haven't. But today, I'm going to talk about FanBridge, and it's one platform for every stream for every dollar. You can monetize your live streams, replays, merch, affiliate campaigns, auto sync, and all under your control. So you can click here to join the beta, but we're gonna first, before we do that, we're gonna click how it works. So let's just kind of see how it works here. So basically, it's a multi-stream branded overlay zero setup. Also, the auto replay monetization. If you missed a live, the FriendBridge automatically clips and monetize it for you. Merch, you can sell merch and advertisers, get paid for affiliate links, and built-in analytics. So the built-in analytics is going to tell you exactly how much you want, what your audience wants, how you're doing with your merch, and all of that. So just go ahead and take a look at all of the great features that FanBridge has to offer. It has everything you need, so nothing you don't need. Live streaming hub, merch and affiliate sync, auto replay monetization, built-in analytics. It has everything you can ever want it and ever need. And basically, they're going to schedule a demo with you to kind of give you an idea of what it's like and all of that good stuff. But it's really a fun process to me to kind of look and see how everything is. So let's just go back to the home page here. So this is just how here in the week money makers. We have OpenQ. They have focus groups, user views, 15-minute surveys, and all of it can be paid via Visa virtual gift card, Amazon card, PayPal, all that. So you can join the user research revolution. OpenQ. So raise your hand if you ever heard of this website, because I never heard of this website before. It's probably a whole lot of websites that I never really heard of before. So it's interesting to hear some of these websites that I never know. Like, you have to go and deep search these websites because they don't just pop up on the first page of Google. They're like on the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th page of Google, which most people don't go past the first page. So you're missing out on opportunities if you don't go past. Like, that's how I do my deep search of finding these opportunities that a lot of other YouTubers will not go through that extra mile of doing it. They're probably gonna be like trying to figure out, like, copying off of other people and saying like they found these opportunities, but no, you found it through somebody else. But I actually researched some of these things. But needless to say, OpenQ connects you with user research studies tailored to your interests and expertise. Help companies create better products and experiences through your feedback and get rewarded for your valuable insights. So how to participate? Participating in research studies through OpenQ is a simple 3-step process. So, let's see. Looks like, yeah. So your companies create research studies, you are invited to participate, and then your user interview invitation. So the type of studies you can participate in in-depth studies through user interviews to provide quick feedback via surveys. Participate in in-depth user interviews to share your feedback, insights, and expertise, helping researchers understand user needs and performances for improving their products and services. Um, Take part in, in surveys to offer your inputs and insights on products and services in a fast, convenient manner. Your responses will directly inform decision making and design of products and services. Get paid in a variety of ways. Redeem your research participation incentive in hundreds of different ways. So you can get paid via virtual gift card, Amazon, PayPal. You can even donate some of your money if you're, you know, don't really need it to other causes. And why participate? Because you want to get paid, right? Like that's the whole point of participating. And you like giving, and you might like giving research solutions to researchers because they're asking your feedback on certain things. So why not? You can share your opinions and insights and earn rewards for your time and inputs. You can drive and motivation through feedback. You can get paid for your contributions, obviously. So go ahead and they have some of the most frequently asked questions. OpenQ is a user research platform that connects companies conducting research studies with participants. By participating in these studies, you can provide valuable feedback and help shape the development of products and services and receive rewards and incentives in return for your contribution. How do I sign up? You are not required to sign up for research studies proactively at the moment. If we determine that you are a good fit for your existing study based on your work experience and qualification, we will reach out to you with an invitation to participate. So you will need to sign up, and then they will reach out to you. So they're not going to just send you things that you don't qualify. So that's nice. So let's see. Get started for free. Um, so let's go ahead and figure this out. So creating a free account, you're going to put in your first name, your last name, your email, and your password. Um, I don't know. Let's just try to sign up and see. Um, oh, okay. So you have to have your work email. I'm not going to put in all that, but you can always just create a random work email or something like that. Bypass that, and you're probably gonna have to be logged into your network or whatever that. But I guess this is for people that's like working in different industries, and then they might need feedback from that. So that's what I'm giving at. So you might want to create your LinkedIn profile too, just so it kind of, you know, making sure that you're covering all your bases because they might look at that too to see if you know if you are legitimate, if you are working in that particular field. So don't get discouraged. I know that it's a lot of ways to make money online, but you got this, money makers. I believe in you. We're doing good on this channel. You know, we're over 800 subscribers now. I'm so proud of this channel for just continuing to keep bringing you opportunities that no one really talks about. That takes me hours to research things, but I'm hoping that you guys are doing okay. Send me an email, let me know you're doing okay. Um, we're going to be closing in on giving away the Cash App money, not Cash App, but PayPal next month. But the project for the AI side hustle will be closing down next week. So please go ahead and submit your last AI side hustle business model plans because I want to take a look at it before I give you the money. But if you don't get selected for that, there's other ways to make money online. But other than that, have a